This video will show you how to use the Token Designer to easily create mappings of scopes to claims. In the admin UI, go to an auth profile, then choose the Scopes option from the menu. The Token Designer is divided into three parts. In the first column, you can see all the scopes defined for this profile. Next is the list of claims, and then three panels, for the access token, the ID token, and the user info endpoint. These panels show which claims will be present in the respective token or the user info endpoint response. If you click on a scope, you will see a list of claims associated with that scope. You can then easily add or remove a claim from the scope. To map a claim to a token, simply drag and drop the claim to the chosen token panel. You can also drag the scope to a panel to add all claims of that scope. To remove a claim from a mapping, click on the red minus sign when hovering over the claim's name. You can quickly find relations between tokens, claims, and scopes by either clicking on the scope name, clicking on a claim on the claims list, or clicking on a claim in one of the token panels. You can also toggle System Claims to view what additional claims will be present in the given token. Note that these claims cannot be removed or changed. To add a scope, click on the plus sign above the Scopes list and give the scope a name. To edit or remove a scope, use the Scopes drop-down menu. To add a claim, click on the plus sign above the claims list and give it a suitable name. Next, you configure a value provider for that claim. How to do that is described in the next video, Working with Claims. By default, the claim is not assigned to any scope or token, and you will notice a red eye showing next to the name. You can also edit and delete claims using the appropriate option from the Claims drop-down menu. You can choose which claims mapper you're editing, or create a new claims mapper straight from the Token Designer. There is a default scope on the list of scopes. Claims associated with that scope are always added to tokens, regardless of the client and requested scopes.